Hello, Barron Elementary parents and learners. It's your principal, Mr. Pyle. I'd like to take this moment to explain a few things before we start virtual learning on Monday, November 23rd. First of all, a lot of what you experienced in the spring will be different this time around as we approach the red phase on Monday. Your child's teachers are prepared. They've worked hard to set up a schedule that simulates the same kind of experience we experience each day here at Barron Elementary. Okay? Each day your child is expected to log in to Zoom sessions, especially in the areas of English language arts and math. Along with those Zoom sessions, your child will have opportunities to connect to their specials teachers, STEM, art, music, health and PE, along with library. They've worked hard to create these learning experiences that follow their cycle day schedule. In addition, the support services involving special education, speech, and reading instruction will also take place throughout the week according to their schedule. I encourage you to read and refer back to the newsletter on your screen. All the information that kind of follows along with our red phase can be found on this page. Our teachers and staff look forward to maintaining the same love of learning that your child experiences each day here at Barron Elementary. If you have any questions or concerns over the next few days and weeks ahead, please do not hesitate to contact me as we move forward. We look forward to seeing everybody on December 7th. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day, and of course, happy Thanksgiving.